So today we're going to be doing a bit of creek fishing. I don't really have a set plan. I'm just going to throw whatever in my backpack, probably some soft plastic, some small hard lures. Probably just going to target some panfish. In the future I want to start going after some larger catfish and whatnot, but right now I'm just trying to get back in the swing of things and hopefully I can catch some fish today. But let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so here goes cast number one, this little crank. Oop, cast number one down. Oop. Oh, fish on first cast. What do we got? Wasn't expecting that. Alright, first cast, first fish, little green sunfish. Definitely wasn't expecting to catch a fish on my first cast. So this is super shallow right now. Normally where I'm standing, it's completely underwater, but I haven't had much rain lately. What is up with this lure? Something definitely just went for it right then. Come on. Oh, keep getting blow-ups. Come on. I can't hook in anything after that first fish. There we go. There we go. And it looks like a bluegill. Alright, so fish number two, species number two, little bluegill. So let him go. Oh, fish on, next cast. And it looks like a green sun. Oh, it got off. Freaking mosquitoes are driving me crazy right now. Could have landed that fish. Got distracted trying to swat out a mosquito. So I'm casting, I'm just letting it sit on top of the water, and I'm getting blow-ups. And after a couple blow-ups, if nothing gets it, I'm just slowly, with a slow, steady retrieve, coming back to me. Alright, so I was able to catch two fish in about the first, 12 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and switch out lures. I was just using this little, I've just been using this tiny crankbait. You can get them at Walmart. I think this one might be from Bass Pro, but they're like normally $1 or $2, tiny crankbait. Alright, so just tied on this little swim bait. I found a jig head in my backpack loose. I tied on a larger swim bait, but I think it's too big for this creek. Oh, just got hit. There we go. Yep, this is probably the right size for what's in here. All right, fish number two, or three, another green sunfish. All right, let's try back over here. I think I'll have more success with this little swim bait. Alright. Oh! As soon as it hit the water. And of course, green sunfish. So I hit it as soon as it hit the water. There we go. Another green sunfish. Maybe there's nothing larger back there. Maybe just a whole bunch of green sunfish. There we go. Fish on. Oh, nice. All right, third species for the day. Beautiful fish, man. Let's get him back. There we go. All right, just got another bluegill, and with that, I'm gonna keep walking down this creek. There we go. All right, finally just got another fish. Largest fish of the day, another green sunfish. Let's get him back. Well, that was definitely a welcome fish. Here we go. Best fish of the day for sure. And it's another green sunfish. Alright, just got another green sunfish, the largest one of the day for sure. Pretty fish, man. Let's get him back. Well guys, I hate to say it, but that's gonna do it for the day. The bite definitely just died down, and I got a bit of editing I gotta catch up on. But anyways, I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.